What's going on, G Squad? It's your boy D, man, and welcome back to the channel. Man, look, so today, man, I got good news, I got bad news, then I got more good news, you feel me? So, man, we're gonna go ahead and hurry and get started, man. As you can see, I'm up and at it early this morning. Got the car running, got the truck running, about to do some switcheroos real quick so I can head out. But before we really truly get started with this video, you already know what you gotta do for your boy. You gotta like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Definitely smash that notification bell, man. And we're gonna get this thing popping, you dig? Stay tuned. Bye. Let's see. Just real quick. Peoples. So, man, let me tell you. So basically, number one, good news. I'm here at Lawless right now. You did. And guess what I got? Trailer. Truck. So, I'm picking up the SS. You did. So, I'm excited about that. Big time. Bad news. Transmission on the SS is shot the hell. You feel me? Jesse hit me up with that news yesterday. They did a pressure test on the transmission, and something's going on in the inside of the transmission, and of course that's really not his specialty, so I gotta get another transmission. I can get the one that I got now. If you've seen another video, the one that I did in the past, you can catch that video on DB Digging the Scene. Of course, that video was when I thought, you know what I mean, that channel is gonna go in a different direction. But if you watch that video, I literally just got a transmission built out back in, I wanna say August, July. Brand new transmission, supposedly. Shop that I went to, Cummins Performance Transmission. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna let that information out there. Cummins Performance Transmission. And they talked a good game. They talked a good game about what they was gonna be, what's in it, this, that, and the third. And guess what? It's trash, man. And I ain't even been. I drove that car maybe 2-3 times, and it's already trashed out. They claim there's a warranty on it, but I don't even feel comfortable going back there, y'all, to be honest with you, man. Like, the type of person I am, I catch a loss on something before I go and get to haggling with somebody about something that they supposedly specialize in. I'm supposedly not supposed to, you know, have any issues with something. So yeah, I ain't gonna do that. That's just not me. You know, a lot of people may think that it's silly. You know what I mean? I ain't gonna front. I spent the guap on that transmission. You know what I mean? A guap. And for it to be giving issues already right now, that further lets me know. You did. So, but just to kind of give you a spiel why I won't go back there, even though there's a warranty on it. Right after I got the transmission, man, maybe about 2-3 weeks later after driving, I noticed that it wouldn't, like, it was hard to shift and park. So, made a call to him. A cat named Dale that's out there, made a call to him, let him know that it was hard to go and park, this, that, and the third. And my man said, you know, I probably needed another shifter cable, the correct shifter cable. So back in my mind, I'm thinking like, correct shifter cable. Now keep in mind, y'all, I got a 700 R4 in that. So I came from a 200 R4. So I'm like, correct shifter cable, that should have been within the price. That should have been already on there. So if I would have never said anything out the gate, they flying down the street, y'all. But if I wouldn't have said anything out the gate, I would have never knew that they didn't put the right shifter cable on there. Well, he said he would do the shifter cable, and he would let me know when it would come in. Month go by, I gotta hit him up. Hey, you got the shifter cable yet? Nah, I ain't, COVID, you know, it's hard for us to get parts. And you know how it is, man, with that COVID situation. Everybody use COVID. They plan on COVID to get around a whole lot of things, going to work, this, that, and the third. So I said, all right, cool. Hit me up, let me know what's up. Months and months later. Y'all think I get a call? No. Hit him up again, still ain't get the part. It's a done data. And then I see on his website, you know, well, he don't even have a website, but I seen on his Facebook page that he doing other transmissions. You know what I mean? So you can get shifter cables for them, but I can't get a shifter cable for mine after I done spent all that money. And, you know, I had the plans on going back there, getting another transmission built, and trying to recommend individuals to go out there, but I can no longer do that, y'all. They're, I hate to say it like this, man, but you'd be best to go somewhere else. But that's the bad news to this thing, you did. Now let's get back to the good news. More good news? Oh, it's showtime. You already know what time it is. What that mean? It's showtime. Yup. I want you to think about it. What that mean? You did. So, man, we're gonna get moving, man. I'm gonna get Jesse, see what's up, get the car out of here, and we're gonna keep moving.
How you doing, brother?
Hey, Jesse, this my homeboy King. This is Jesse, the man with the master plan.
We got a bunch of yeah.
Man.
We'll show you what we did on this power sheet.
Jesse, man, why you had to give me that bad news yesterday?
Man, I didn't want to.
I said, man, why?
I didn't want to. Oh, come on, stretch it. We added that bracket right there for you.
Ooh, that's sweet.
It ain't going nowhere now.
Yeah, that's sweet. Yeah, I like that, Jesse. Thank you.
Sucks, so we just got all this put back in. You know, because we had to pull it halfway out.
Really?
To fix the leak, yeah.
Man, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, you talking about the motor?
Yeah. Yeah, we had it all out.
Yeah, that's
I wish
sweet.
if I would have known then, if I knew it was going to be that bad with the training, I would just went ahead and snatched it out, you know. And then I said on the front crank, what we did on it, I just had the guy turn that front balancer down so that pulley's not wobbly.
Sweet.
It's a lot better. So.
Man, I appreciate it.
Yeah, it's good. It's dry under there.
Jesse, why you had to give me that bad news though?
That sucks, man.
Had to give me that bad news on that transmission. I said, damn it. Let me go off real quick. Man. And we back with an update. You already know what time it is, man. It's showtime, man. You did. Pulling up here at Showtime transmission right now. So we're gonna see what we can get popping with this bit. You feel me? So stay tuned. It's showtime, man. You already know what time it is. You did. Alright. I already know I'm in a good spot. You feel me? So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing going, man. Nigga gonna be super late to work. Got my homeboy King out here with me, man. Fell through with your boy. I appreciate you, man.
No problem.
You know what I mean? Hey, man. Like I said before, man, it's hard to find good friends these days. You did. Next stop, man, to the crib. I need to get me a damn trailer.
We gonna drop this bitch out, ain't you?
Huh?
You gotta drop this bitch out, don't you?
Nah, I got all the way to 1. I gotta get, cause I got a whole meeting. All right, man. So y'all see what it is, man. We're gonna go ahead and get on up out of here, man, and get on back to our side of town, man. Stay tuned to the next vid. When it come back to me, I already know it's gonna be something serious. You did. You did. What'd you think, Kane? You think
it's gonna be nasty, man.
You think I made the right choice,
it's
man?
gonna be nasty, man.
Hey, man.
Nasty.
We're gonna see what's up, man. You did. I appreciate the look too, man, Jay Malcolm, man. Y'all make sure y'all check that man out, man. If you don't already, check him out. Make sure you check him out. Subscribe. You did. It's a good guy. You feel me? So, till next time.